In today's tutorial, we're learning how to draft the basic short sleeve and long sleeve. If you have been finding it difficult to make a basic sleeve for yourself, for your dresses, for your outfits, this video is for you. My name is Daphne. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to draw your starting line. The line at the top of the paper there, that is the starting line. From that line, you step down by 4.5 inches. Make points and connect them with your straight rule like this. This line is called the bicep line. Okay, so from there you step down by how long you want your sleeve to be. I wanted mine to be 8 inches and I stepped down by 8 inches, made points and connected with my straight rule like this. After that, step down again, measure 10 inches from the top of the paper there for your hemming allowance. Our hemming allowance is going to be 2 inches, right? So the actual length of our sleeve is 8 inches. So the 2 inches serves of the hemming allowance. So I went ahead to highlight the lines so that they'll be visible. We now have 4 lines: our starting line, our bicep line or our sleeve cap height, then our full length, and 2 inches for hemming allowance. For your starting line, step in by 4 inches and make a point there. On your bicep line, measure the fullest part of your arm and divide it by 2 and make a point on your paper. After making the points, go ahead and add 1.5 inches for your stitching allowance. Step in from your bicep line by 4 inches and also make a point. After that, bring your tape from the point we made earlier to the down point like this and find the midpoint. We made the last point so that everything will be on the straight line. Mark the points there. After that, bring your curve rule and place it like this and make a curve from the tip of the shoulder to that point that we made, the previous point we made, and draw a very fine curve like this. After that, turn your curve rule to this direction like this and also create another curve to the end of the bicep line like this. So at the end of the day, this is what you will have, a very nice curve. After that, go ahead and mark your round measurement. That is where you want your sleeve to stop. Measure that area, divide it by 2 and impute the answer. Make a point and also add your 1.5 inches for allowance and connect the line to the bicep area like this. Go ahead and repeat the same process on this allowance line that we added earlier. Divide your round arm by 2 plus the 1.5 inch allowance and make a point. From that point, add another 1 inch so that we extend the width of the sleeve at the allowance area. The reason for the extension is whenever you're folding it, especially when making button shirts, let there be no shortage at the hemline there. Now come over to the armhole area and take the measurement around that area to be sure that your armhole is intact. Mine is 16 and that divided by 2 gave me 8. So you can see I have 8 there and the remaining part of it is for the stitching allowance. So this is just basically everything about the drafting of the short sleeve. So now we'll just go ahead and cut out our sleeve. If you have any question, I'll be in the comment section. I hope you understand everything that is going on this paper. So now I'll just go ahead and cut it out. So now I'm done cutting. You can see that I've folded the allowance and there is no shortage around that area. So now we'll just go straight and draft the long sleeve. So for the long sleeve, you're going to be repeating almost everything we did on the short sleeve. Go ahead and mark your starting line. Step down by 4.5 inches for your bicep line. And make points and connect with a straight line like this. From there, go ahead and step down again by your elbow length. My elbow is 12 inches. I went ahead and made points, and I also connected them with a straight line like this. Go ahead and take the measurement of your long sleeve, how long you want your sleeve to be. I wanted mine to be 20, so I went ahead to mark the 20 and to make points around the 20 inches. And now I'm still connecting everything with my straight rule like this. So the next thing to do again is to step in by 4 inches from the starting line, and go ahead and also mark your biceps. Divide by 2 plus 1.5 inch for sewing allowance. Come down on the bicep line again and mark the 4 inches. Put your tape on this 2 point like this and find the midpoint, and also make a point there. Take your curve and place it in this direction to get a very beautiful fine curve. So this is the curve I just made. Turn it to the other direction again and create a curve to meet the point like this. So this is what we had, a very beautiful curve, right? So now come down to your elbow, divide your round elbow by 2, mark, and also add 1.5 stitching allowance. Okay, so the next thing to do is to measure your wrist. I took the measurement of my wrist and mine was 6.5 inches thereabout. I divided by 2 and I imputed the answer plus 1.5 inch sewing allowance. So now I'm connecting from the bicep line to the elbow, and from the elbow to the full length of my sleeve. If you notice the line around the elbow area, you will discover that it is not straight. So this is to enable us to be able to bend our hand whenever we're putting on our outfit. But if you're working with a stretchy fabric, just go ahead and shape it so that it will be straight, like the way I did on the second line. Now go ahead and cut out your sleeve. So this is basically all for the drafting of the short sleeve and the long sleeve. You can do this on your fabric and on paper. Okay, so if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new tutorial, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching up to this end. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.